The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is areas of strength for truly, generally is very huge. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents in a sort of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo essentially is drifting at $1,479,104, showing how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar most certainly is major areas of strength for truly, so they thought. Nexo acquired roughly 1.52% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in every practical sense, enormous way. 30 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Nexo, generally is Nexo and all things considered, wise speculation, which basically is very critical. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on. Yet, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in a real sense, let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Contents market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247, genuinely further appearance, how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar for the most part is actually areas of strength for certainly a very significant way. The complete exchanging volume truly remains at $33,863,355,643 in a quite large manner. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in a kind of enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, so the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar explicitly is actually serious areas of strength for quite a very significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span. Truly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, which explicitly is very huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.86 and right now exchanging at 56 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem incredibly. These occasions especially show that the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting how Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very huge. As of now, a sort of broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, which especially is very critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which vendors generally become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar by and large is actually areas of strength for really a fundamentally significant way. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The kind of current Nexo cost in a real sense is 63 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,479,104 in the kind of beyond 24 hours. Which for the most part shows that Nexo backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they for the most part thought. Right now, Nexo explicitly is up by 1.52% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $353,894,223 United States dollars, which especially shows that as of now, Nexo fundamentally is up by 1.52% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $353,894,223 United States dollars in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Examination. Nexo Cost Investigation for 30 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo in a fundamentally enormous manner in a real sense. The Nexo fundamentally has sort of break all its especially upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, which basically shows that right now, an especially broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents, or so they basically thought. As of now, bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Nexo cost underneath the significant help level of 82 cents, so we utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters. Basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking for the most part. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and sort of is attempting to really break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which essentially shows that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. While Nexo's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal explicitly is conceivable at this reach, which truly is very huge. The MACD line for the most part is remaining above of the extremely signal line after a positive hybrid, showing that however prior to plunging certainly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the very current economic situations. Nexo financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph in a sort of enormous manner basically. The Nexo market sort of is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers sort of have the essentially potential to drive costs of the digital money genuinely higher in the very next, for the most part couple of days, truly further appearance, how support truly is a level at which purchasers